Des Moines, with its deep cultural roots, is a heaven for those interested in the state's local arts. A short visit doesn't do justice to this small but proud city, which is packed with botanical gardens and sculpture parks. Des Moines, Iowa's state capital and largest city, has a population of nearly 250,000 people. This vibrant Midwestern hub offers shopping, live entertainment, visual arts, and much more. The city's main attraction is the prestigious state capitol, which has a 150-year history. The golden dome atop the building is a sight to behold, paving the way for the incredible stone carvings and a mesmerizing art collection. The Des Moines Art Center and State Historical Museum are also well known for their enchanting paintings and antiques. For people who prefer to spend their time in nature, we recommend visit Papa John's Sculpture Park and the Greater Des Moines Botanical Garden for a relaxing experience. They both have a variety of flora mixed in with the artistic approach in the city. The Blank Park Zoo is another crowd pleaser for the fauna-loving folks, with an exquisite assortment of exotic species from all around the world. Des Moines exudes an artistic vibe. The vibrant historic East Village, located between the Iowa state capitol and downtown skyscrapers, is home to a diverse range of shops, restaurants, bars, and residents. Valley Junction, a historic railroad district founded in the 1890s on the west side of town, is at the intersection of hip and history. With more than 150 specialty stores, art galleries, fashion boutiques, restaurants, and antique shops. With numerous performance venues scattered across the city and a number of music festivals held there each year, downtown Des Moines is also a popular destination for music and entertainment. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Every day is a special day in Des Moines, where must-see attractions include the engaging Papa John's Sculpture Park, the family-friendly Blank Park Zoo, Grace Lake Park, and the visually stunning Greater Des Moines Botanical Garden. Take in a minor league baseball game at Principal Park, cheer on the ponies at the nearby Prairie Meadows racetrack, or go for a hike or bike ride on the city's extensive trail system. Refuel at one of the city's many breweries, such as Confluence Brewing Company or any of the city's many restaurants. Des Moines is also a culinary powerhouse. Because Iowa is a farming state, the city revolves around its delectable local food. The downtown farmers market, which has around 300 vendors selling local products such as fruit, vegetables, and meat, is at the heart of this. Des Moines is a city to visit but never forget, with no form of entertainment left behind. The hub of Greater Des Moines artistic and cultural life is downtown Des Moines. The streets will literally carry you to the center of art, from the Des Moines Civic Center, home to critically acclaimed Broadway productions, to the Papa John's Sculpture Park, where some of the most famous works of art in the world are displayed.